Good morning. I am about to go thrifting, so I'm gonna bring you guys along on a little bit of a haul. Why do I have like two pimples that are just like, oh, so annoying. What is up, YouTube? I'm so tired. It's like what? I'm late. I'm heading to Oakland right now to go to the Goodwill Bins for my first time. I've never been, so I figured I would make a video, bring you along for the ride, and bring you thrifting with me. I have a bag of donations I need to drop off as well, so hoping to just drop those off while I'm out there or stop by another Goodwill, get that done. But yeah, super excited to head out there. Goal is to just find like a bunch of stuff I can thrift for myself, for outfits I want to style for the channel, my blog things, and then also potential items that could be released for SUMBAE. So I'm on a hunt, and I've never been to the bins. I've heard great stories. I've heard some not so great stories about the bins, but I'm prepared, and I might go back tomorrow as well. So let's see what I find today, and I'll chat with you soon. So I just made it to Oakland, about to head into the Goodwill right now. I got all my stuff, got my bags, I got my gloves, I got my water, keep myself hydrated, and we're about to go and do this, and let's get a move on, y'all. Waiting in line now, y'all. Gotta wait in line. But we're here. I have been at Goodwill for like 3 hours thrifting, so if you can't hear me, it's kind of loud in here. But yeah, I've been spending the last 3 hours at Goodwill trying to find a bunch of stuff, mainly for myself, not too much for SUMBAE. But I am almost done. I'm about to head out. I need to go home, eat, and chill. But yes, when I get home, I'll show you guys a little bit what I got and do a little bit of a try on haul in another video, because I need to clean everything before I even put it on. So yes, all right, bye. Down here, so I just got done thrifting at the outlet. It's kind of loud because they're doing some organization, but I conquered. I spent about 3 hours in there, and I'm tired. So I'll show you a little sneak peek of the bags I got, and then I need to do a big ass haul when I get home. Yeah, clothes. So this is bag number 1 that I filled up. And this is a garbage bag number 2, all clothes. I got 1 blanket. I spent $50 total on probably 30 things. So yeah, I would say it's a successful trip. Some of this I am going to keep and wear. Some of it will go on my Depop store. Some of it may go for SUMBAE, TBD. Sorry, there's a motorcycle. But yeah, cool. Bye guys.